सेक्शन 2 BNSS में डिफिनेशन के बारे में उल्लेख किया गया है, जिसमें जैसे सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज C इसमें बिलेबल ऑफेंस के बारे में है कि सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज C बिलेबल ऑफेंस मीन्स एन ऑफेंस which is shown as playable in the first schedule or which is made playable by any other law for the time being in force, and non-playable offence means any other offences. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज F में चार्ज includes any head of charge when the charge contains more heads than one. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज G cautionable offences means an offence for which, and cautionable cases means a case in which a police officer may, in accordance with the first schedule or under any other law for the time being, enforce arrest without warrant. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज H में कंप्लेनेंट के बारे में means any allegation made orally or in writing to a magistrate with a view to his taking action under this Sanhita, that some persons, whether known or unknown, has committed an offence but does not include a police report. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज K में इंक्वायरी के बारे में है means every inquiry other than a trial conducted under this संहिता by a magistrate or court. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज I में इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में includes all the proceeding under this संहिता for the collection of evidence conducted by a police officer or by any person other than a magistrate who is authorized by a magistrate in this behalf. सेक्शन 2 का M में जुडिशियल प्रोसीडिंग के बारे में includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. सेक्शन 2 का सब क्लॉज O में नॉन कॉजनेबल ऑफेंसेस के बारे में means an offence for which, and non cautionable cases means a case in which a police officer has no authorized to arrest without